breakfast is ready.
Oh yeah, let's go to Tinuy-an Falls. We're both doing this vlog. It
Because
sounds
we're
good.
both vloggers.
I know.
Look at that. How is that for a picture? Can you get much better?
I tell you what, this is a fair climb. If I fall and you catch me, I'll squash you.
If ever you fall, I will catch you.
All right, we are on the track down. This is going to be harder than going up. All right, folks, it's morning time, breakfast time,
Good morning.
and it's not bad. We're enjoying the day with the sun still down. We've got the waves behind us, we've got the boats there. This is what it's going to be like daytime here. We'll show you a little bit of around here before we go, but it's a nice place with the pool we're in last night, of course, and if you want to do island hopping, you can do that with all the islands out there.
Can use that.
Can use that, or you can just relax a little bit. But we're off to today. We're actually going to the falls. What's it called?
Tinuy-an Falls.
That's it.
Tinuy-an Falls.
The Tinoy Falls. And is that? I think that's something like that. But before we do that, we're going to have some breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is ready.
Oh yeah. Let's see if they got any wheat picks or something like that. You know what wheat picks are? some cereal.
Oh, look, guys, wait, guys. Our breakfast today there is bulad. You know bulad?
Oh my God, blood.
Bulad.
Blood.
Bulad.
No.
Dried fish.
Ah, dried
fish.
fish. Ah,
Have you tried that
Ah.
already or not?
no.
No dried fish in Australia.
I thought I'd have that for dinner, not breakfast. What? Unsa?
It's much, guys.
Oh well, it'll be interesting.
Yeah.
But maybe let's see if they got Vegemite on toast. That could work.
Oh, the bulad is just like the taste of Vegemite.
Ah,
Oh, not only like bagoong.
ah.
You know the bagoong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are already. He already, guys.
So
taste
maybe
the
if we
bagoong.
stick bagoong
Bagoong.
and Vegemite
Yeah. And
on
now the
fish,
bulad, because
that
bulad
would
is
be like 3 lots of
salty.
Vegemite in one. Oh,
So
all right. We need to go and get a coffee.
yeah,
Coffee is life, remember.
and for me is rice is life.
All right, we're gonna have a coffee and a rise, and we're gonna get this day started. Got their breakfast area, dinner area. There's the menu. But it's breakfast time. Coffee ready.
Yes.
Breakfast time, is that our favourite time? Just about. Apart from dinner time. What do we got? We've got the old rice, eggs and
this
dog.
one, bulad. Your bulad. This is
My
for you,
gulay.
bulad. Dried fish. Danggit.
Is that one of those challenges like chicken feet?
No,
I don't
no,
know.
that's not.
So this is the villa we stayed in, villa number 2, down here at O's Landing. And as you can see, this is normally equipped for 3 people. So you've got the double bed there and a single bed. And if need be, you can get them to put another bed in, but there are bigger places. All right, we are off from O's Landing Resort, and we're heading to the waterfalls. The car is packed, the people are ready. The crazy cat's there. She's going to co-pilot me, hopefully not down too many wrong ways this time, and head into any more festivals like we did on the way up.
Ray, are you ready to the next adventure? We're going to guys? Tinuy-an Falls.
Did you say Tinuy Falls?
Soon you will see my falls.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Bravo,
Charot
bravo.
lang, charot.
Charot. All right, let's get on the
See
road.
you guys. Today we're going to, where we go?
We're going to Tinuy-an Falls. Is that it?
Tinuy-an Falls day.
Is that it? It's something like
That's
that.
not my falls. That's for our tourist spot. Yeah, the Tinuy-an Falls. We're going to go there, guys.
Wow.
See you.
Santa will see you.
See you there. See you. See you to the next
Stay
video,
tuned for
guys.
that.
Yeah. Excited.
What's more exciting? What's more exciting is learning to drive like a Filipino.
Oh.
Crazy, crazy. No rules.
No rules.
I like
no
it.
rules. Yeah. You
It's
you can drive
However you want.
Yeah, how many you want? Oh, how many? What speed you want? You can.
It's
My
like a
God.
racetrack. It is literally like a racetrack. That's my experience.
Yeah.
And I'm sticking to it.
Oh, see, guys.
I definitely can't do this back at home. So I'm gonna do it here.
So, bye muna, guys. Mother by BC, and the other one is Strangus. Maybe he's getting dizzy na. So, bye for now. Eyes on the road.
We both doing this vlog. So
Because
it's
we're
good.
both vlogger.
I know, it's fun, but we are here. Look,
Going
welcome to Tinuy-an Falls. Her
Ooh,
falls.
that's not my
God, we're
falls.
at your falls.
I'm Shayna.
Congratulations for
It's
having
not
your
my
own
falls.
falls, your popular tourist destination. I tell you what, I told you, she's famous.
No, oh my
Yes, you're famous. You've got your own falls. I don't know. Look, Tinuy-an
Tinoy-an.
Falls.
Tinoy-an, not Tinay.
Yeah, Tinoy. Ann.
Tinoy.
Tinoy is
not
Ann.
Tinay.
Tinoy is Ann. Tinuy Falls. I told you it's her falls.
Oh my God.
But we're going to go in there. There's supposed to be pretty spectacular falls in there. We're going to wet the feet. The feet are hot. It's been a long drive. Someone said it was only half an hour, but it's been about 3 hours. So, you know,
It's a
I don't know. Would you
prank.
buy real estate off
It's
them?
a prank.
I don't know. But an adventure it is.
Yes.
Don't go anywhere, folks. We're heading into Tinuy-an Falls right now.
Later, guys.
We're here. We're at the car park. My gosh, finally. So the falls, here we are. We have got here, folks. This is just a small one down here. There's one up top, which is a lot bigger, but how good is this? Have a look at the surroundings. You got the waterfall. You can hear the water gushing. Just putting our mind just here for a moment on the waterfall and the river. That is, yeah, that is beautiful. So another welcome to Tinuy-an Falls. Got the entrance up there. Little snack place up there. You got your life jackets if you want to go in, I think, for the kids. So, but that is gorgeous. Well, well, well. What can we say about this falls? They drop off. It's glorious. The water is crystal clear. It's amazing. And we're going to get up to the big fall in just a moment. So this is the legend of the Tinuy-an Falls. So if you want to read it, just pause that video for a moment and have a read. So Lang, we are here, and this, as I said before, you take us to some great places, but you know, when I was down the bottom, I don't think I saw this up the top, and that is pretty spectacular. Huh?
Yeah.
My gosh, my gosh.
You can climb that long falls.
You can climb it, we can climb it. I don't know, that sounds...
You can go there, the top.
Well, we'll see if we do, but...
Look, shut out, 380.
30 and your jackfruit. How's that, brother?
Oh my God.
And a couple of big ones there, ready to bring back.
Shut out, 380.
Can you believe it? E.T. loves his jackfruit. And I wonder whether we can just twist one and take one with us. Maybe. Maybe. All right, we're going to head up and show you this waterfall, which will blow your mind. So look at that entrance. Coming into that entrance, it's like a fairy tale. As you could just get a little bit of a peek there on the left was the waterfall. And yeah, it's a great place to get some photos, relax, enjoy it, listen to the sounds of the water. And I think there was something there where you could actually hop on a bit of bamboo stick, something like that, raft, and go out. I did see some life jackets there before, so that's always an option. Whether we do that, I don't know, but it's enjoyable. There's Benito just enjoying his time in the shade because it's been a little bit hot in the car coming down, and Asnam there enjoying a good rest.
Hi guys!
Hi!
We are here now at Tinuy-an Falls
Tinuy-an-
with Mike.
With my, yeah, I know, Ripper. That's good. Good place. Good place. So I'm happy to actually think today that because this is a weekday, it's not so busy, but this place would get absolutely jam-packed with people. But have a look at this waterfall. It must be a good 100-foot high or more, and it's just gushing over the edges. That is something to be seen. That is amazing. That's it. For the 2.5 hours it took to drive here, or probably 3.25 hours from Britannia. This is absolutely worth every moment. Look at that.
Look at that.
So look at that. How is that for a picture? Can you get much better? Huh?
I thought you took picture.
No, no picture, this is video. Yeah, James, this is video. This is for the vlog. Tinuy-an at Tinuy-an Falls.
See that?
Well, you know, there you go.
Guys, have you seen what's my background? This is
Yeah.
real.
Wow, wait. You know what? Get here if you can. As I said, if you want a tour guide,
Just contact me.
that's right. As we said,
It's free only, guys.
it might be free, but to our manager, it's 5,000 peso. We look after the rest.
Oh my God.
You know, it's well worth it. Best tour guide in the Philippines. Look at the place you can come to see.
Come guys, come here.
That's
To my
amazing.
province. I
Oh.
am proudly present this Tinuy-an Falls. Come! Book it now!
You heard it first, folks. Book it now.
Book it now!
Book it now, because-
Or Mrs. Me
That's it, because
in my
I'm
Facebook account.
because
or
I'm booking her again very soon. So that time's going to be filled.
Sana all.
So you know, if you want to get in,
Come on.
the phone lines are now open. You've probably got about 1 hour after this video goes to air, and the bookings I'm sure will be extinguished. It'll be booked out. There you go, folks. Don't miss out on this opportunity.
I don't know how to I'm speechless Tinapay.
Oh, she's speechless. We are gonna climb
We're
up
going
the
to
top,
the top.
to the pin,
To the
over
pin,
the top,
we're
to
going
the top.
to the pin that falls.
So I don't know whether we climb up the top and then jump off,
Oh my God.
or just go up the top via the stairs over there,
There's a lot of stairs
and
to
then we
go
can
there.
just have a bit of a look. So that'll be pretty good. But I know we've talked a little bit long this time, but that's all right. You know, we wanted to share that information. Don't forget while you're there, subscribe, ring the notification bell to both Tinoy and Bem Bem and my channel to keep up with all the Philippine adventures that we're having together. Tinoy's doing them as well. And they should be either already out by now, some of them, or coming out very, very soon. I can't wait to see them. Because from what I've seen in her blog, Sana all. Alright folks, let's get climbing
Let's
up
go
that
to the
hill.
pin.
Deep breath, let's go. Right, to the climb, we've got to climb. This is the climb. It is super steep. Of course, we've got a guide leading me. That's a good walk. I tell you what, you've got to actually watch where you're stepping here because this is super
Slippery.
steep. Wait, Lang.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
That's it. Wait, Lang.
Wait lang.
Wait, Lang.
Yeah, we're
I'll tell you
going to
what.
climb na guys. Climb
To
to
the-
the pin. We're going to the
To the
pin.
pin, to the climb. I tell you what, this is a fair climb up. As you can see, we're already up a little bit. We going?
You
Oh my
first-
gosh.
you first so I can catch you. If
My-
ever.
If I fall and you catch me, I'll squash you.
If ever you fall,
will.
I will catch you.
Oh, Sana
Sana
all.
all. Careful ah.
Come on, Lang.
Yeah, be careful. We're going. Oh.
We're going. Oh,
Pin.
I tell you what, I do think this is easier going up than it will be going down. Yeah, she's a fair climb up.
More steep to come.
And a steep.
Oh my God.
Must keep these young fellas fit. We've got a lot of people coming up here. We only got to walk it once. They might have to walk it 30 times a day. We're getting high, we're just about at the peak. You right? It's pretty good. Alright, so we're at the top, pretty much of that big waterfall. Way down there. We can't go down there because they're worried we might slip over. But it's pretty cool. But we do have the last little bit of the tippity top right here. So this is pretty good. You come up here, you can just walk in a little bit of the water. Nice, refreshing. I tell you what, it's got some more. It's got some power. It's got some power to these this waterfall. But it's great. That's great. You've got to come. So up where we are, this is pretty much the top as I showed you before. We just got that little bit behind us, but that's where everyone is down below. So we're pretty high up. That's a great view. Of course, you got your tour guides. They'll help you up here. You give them like 50 peso or something. They'll guide you up, make sure you're okay. Look after you. Helps out the locals as well. Alright, we are on the track down. This is going to be harder than going up. Are you ready? Alright, let's
I'm ready now to do that.
Alright, I'll show just a few seconds of going down because then I want to actually hold the rail, concentrate. I don't topple over. Alright, I know. Let's go. There is our path. Can you believe it? That is pretty much vertical down. Well, we made it down from the top to the bottom in one piece. I tell you what, it wasn't too bad. Not as scary as I thought, but we did take our time. We took all precautions and we made it. We survived, so we could do a vlog tomorrow.
Where?
I don't know. Somewhere in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Who knows? But you know what? That's all I've got for you guys out there today. We're at Britannia, the beautiful resort there. We both highly recommend that place. It was really good. Nice and relaxed there. It's got the pool and everything. The cafe, the diner, you can eat there. And of course, the nice trip out here to Tinuy-an Falls.
God!
Tinuy-an Falls. Is that better?
Yeah.
Tinuy-an Falls. That's the way it is. But what a backdrop behind us. That's what everyone comes to see. And of course, the kids enjoying. They can swim here. And of course, you can get on that raft and go over there underneath the waterfall as well. So that's all good.
We can't, guys, we can't swim right now because we don't like getting wet.
That's it. That's it. We haven't
don't
got.
have extra
That's it.
clothes. Maybe.
Next time, as I said, I'm already booking her for the next trip, which probably won't be too far away, hopefully. But yeah, we just don't want to go home in the car wet, and then we're going to drop the car off to the guy who owns it. He wouldn't be too happy. But that's about all we have for you this time around. So, what have we got left to say, young Tino?
Yes. What else, guys? Come here now.
And
you can watch what a beautiful I have.
that's it. What a beautiful pose you have.
Cameras.
That's it. And what else? What other 3 words have you got to say?
See you guys.
I will teach her as ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
We'll see you guys in the next vid. See you later, Tinuy-an Falls.
See you to the next.
See you on the next adventure.